Using diamond cut, one cut and one finish, I transformed this old car from looking like it was ready for a scrapyard to ready for a car show. One cut is a liquid compound designed to remove coarse scratches, sanding marks and paint defects from fully cured and fresh coatings. For an enhanced high gloss finish and on tricky dark colours, follow with one finish, which is formulated to give a super fine glaze and polish out any residual swirl marks. Both one cut and one finish can be used together or separately to give great results, and it can be applied either with an electric polisher or by hand in tricky to reach places.